Ano? What's up guys? So for today's videos guys ay gagawa po tayo ng ice kasi wala ng ice dito guys kasi maraming nagbibili po dito sa LP ng ice guys. So gagawa tayo ng ice. Tara!
all with different after school activities. Having dips. Then we have food security. That definitely helps out with some easy dips. Then we have food security. This is shelf stable for up to 25 years. And if COVID taught us anything, it taught us that food isn't guaranteed. Shelves get empty overnight. Restaurants will close before you can say coronavirus. There's a million reasons you can end up eating a shelf stable food stock. And I know if we ever run into a situation where we do need it, we're going to be happy we have it. Okay, but how do you use freeze-dried rotisserie chicken? On this specific night, we rehydrated it with some chicken broth. Then we mixed in some sauce that we canned last season from the garden. Then just had some tomatoes, garlic, and onion. And then we finished that up with some fajita seasoning. We added some lettuce from this year's garden and peppers from last year's garden and made a pretty decent, easy little taco. We really like the rehydrating chicken broth method because once you do that, you can use it however you would use normal rotisserie chicken. But you can also throw the dried meat directly into soup, stews, and things like that. We have a link to the freeze-dried reviews in our bio.
Ayan na guys, ilagay na natin ang ating ginawang ice para matigas na ito mamaya. Diba? Wala nang laman guys.
Kapag ganito set up natin sa susunod doon.
May pa. Dito rin sa dapin sa pa ba?
Pero hindi pa yung para sa ganito. Yung sa'yo is yung preparation.
Gani. So, ayan na guys, ang ating nagawang ice. So, yan guys. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching.